I replaced my vacuum with this. Let's unbox this vacuum together. This is the manual. This is the quick guide. It comes with a remote, 2 batteries, the cable to charge, and this is the base. I use the ILIFE Clean app, and you can monitor all through the app. I love it. Let's plug this to the wall. It's on, right? I just need to. I'm gonna put your email. This is all set up now in the app, so we're gonna turn the vacuum on. Okay.
Can't do two at once.
It's all set up. Now let's see this working. Let me.
Yep, go on your computer.
We just cleaned the floor. Now I'm gonna send it back to recharge.
And go.
Look how much he got. He was running for like 5-10 minutes and he got so much dirt. I absolutely love this robot cleaning. It cleans super well and it helps me so much. I'm a stay-at-home mom of 2 boys, so I'm always busy taking care of them. So this really helps me. I love it.
Good.